We're here today with Matt Ramsey, the president of Sabah International. Hello, Matt.
Hello, Tom.
Okay, big question, a lot of words here. What is the difference between continuous leak detection versus spot or low point sensing? So is it a cost decision that people would use spot over continuous?
Well, that's a good question too, because sometimes by the time you run the wire out to all the spots, you basically could have run the continuous sensing cable there anyway, because essentially it is wire itself, and so you're running a non-sensing cable to the spot sensor versus running a continuous sensing cable. So in a lot of times that just doesn't really make sense to do that.
So now, point sensing. We've talked about continuous leak detection and spot. What's low point versus spot?
So a low point would be a sump. So for small rooms, a low point is a good application if it's an elevator shaft. We do a lot of elevator shafts just with a spot sensor and keep it in that low point because we're talking about a very small room. It's not a large area. So the larger the area, the more you want to move to continuous sensing, whereas smaller places you may use a spot sensor, and we offer all of those particular products.
So a confined area that's going to be reciprocal for where the water is going to eventually end, regardless of where it started. It's coming up like from a sump pump fails.
Exactly, exactly. So a sump pump, we would install the sensor, 6 inches above the low point in that sump. So if it got that high and the pump didn't turn on, we would tell the facility engineer that, hey, your sump pump isn't working because your leak detection alarm went off.